Hey guys, Glenn here. Today we're going over how to double or triple or even quadruple your sales with this simple trick. It's not clickbait. I'm going to show you right now. By the way, if you guys have any questions or suggestions for videos, I really need some suggestions so that if you want to know something about my 3D print shop or how I sell on Etsy, ask below and I'll try to make a video about it, or I'll at least answer the questions. Alright guys, we're over here on my Etsy. Just a quick recap of my shop, which I like to do sometimes because people want to see how it's doing. Last 30 days, 3,500 bucks, all time, almost to $20,000, and in such short time, it's going pretty good. So I'm going to show you a trick that helps me out because your labor is much more valuable than the actual item usually. So I'm going to show you how I double my sales with the same item, or triple them or quadruple them. It all depends on how you do it and what your item is. This is going to work a lot more for smaller, cheaper items that you can say, like a bottle cap or pins or something like that, that, you know, if you're going to just sell one of them, it just makes sense to sell a pack of 2 or a pack of 4 or a pack of 6 because the material cost doesn't cost that much more, but your labor just packing it up and selling it and everything, it really does add up. So let me show you what I do specifically. Now this is Wheat State 3D. He has a 3D print shop that I look at once in a while because he has some of my items in there. It's a bestseller. He's got a good price. It costs probably 20 cents to make this thing. He's selling 15 so far, these things. He's got a video of how it works. Did a great job. What I would do to improve this, the only really thing that you need to do, is change it to sell more. So a lot of people, for a little bit less of a price, will buy 2 or 3 or 4 in a pack of it, and you'll sell more just to, and they'll save $1, for instance. So let me show you how I would do this listing. Okay, so when you're making your listing, you're going to get to the variations section, and this is where you can change it to actually sell more of your item more often. If you want to just print or make 2 at once, and it's like it costs you an extra 20 cents and an extra 2 minutes to do it, but you can get double the profit, this is where you put it in, all right? So Etsy does have a section that you could choose how many quantity, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it doesn't push them into saving $1 and making you know, a double sale. Here is how I do it, and often I'll sell packs of 2 or packs of 4 just because they think they're getting a little bit more of a deal. And sometimes I'll even sell something for more, like you know, it should be a $5 item, but I'll put it up for $7.99 or something like that, and then they'll think they're getting a deal and they'll buy the 2-pack. So I'll sell 2 at much more value than I would originally want to sell the 1 at. What you're going to do to put this in is you're going to click on Edit Variations, and then you got this is how all my colors are set up. Usually it depends on what I sell, but mostly these colors are what I sell. When you name this, I name it pack of, and I put little brackets in there, buy more and save. And this is going to say, oh, you know what? I could buy more and save. So when they go to the listing and they click on pack of 2, it shows them that they're saving $1 or $2 or $5 or whatever you want it to show. Every single shop is going to be a little different, and every item is going to be different. But with this simple trick, you can sell 2 much more easily because they look at 1 and they say, well, do I want to just buy 1 when I can get 2 for $2 less? And I say, well, I'll give 1 away, or I'll, you know, it's Christmas time coming up. I can get 4 of them for all the kids, whatever. So you're going to do pack of. You could put the buy more and save. I usually do that on my listings. It seems to tell them that, hey, you're going to save money by clicking more. 1, 2, 4. Every item's going to be different. It depends on the item. For this one, I don't see people buying more than 4 of them unless they have this huge Mormon family or something. So I think 4 is enough. And also you don't want to give really more than 2 or 3 options, because then they might not check out or buy because they can't decide. You need to push them into deciding. So we already have too many colors and too many choices, but this is the way to get that money back that we lose off of too many choices when people buy 2 or 4. And it works a lot pretty often. So, you know, this is a proven model for me. That's why I wanted to share it to you guys that this works. And another little bonus tip for you. Sell it for $7.99, not $7. Sell it for $13.99, not $13. because that 99 cents, people, including yourselves and I, have been conditioned by multi-billion-dollar corporations to not see that 99 cents anymore. Some stores, for inventory purposes, like Walmart, will do like $13.95 or $13.99. They're always going towards the high spectrum, which $13.99, people are used to it. You're not trying to rip people off, but you're going to get that extra dollar. And times that by 1,000 sales, and it's going to add up. So that's a little bonus. We're going to go more into the mind of marketing and other videos and stuff like that. But I just wanted to get this quick video out here to show you that you can sell double or triple the items pretty easily. Just this simple trick. Subscribe down below if you want to see more tips and tricks just like this. I got a lot up my sleeve. Watch one of these videos next. Hopefully it'll help you out making more money on Etsy.